how to make money from home. I was just talking to my friend Jonathan at church the other day, and he was asking me, what's the secret to success? He's really struggling. He's lost his job, and so we sat down and we had a conversation about, how do you become successful in life? And there's really three things that you have to do if you want to be successful in life. As you can see, I've got this beautiful house here in the background. I bought this a couple years ago, about $3 million when I bought it. I think it's up to about $5 million now, but it's a great house. I love it. Got my wife and my kids, get to travel all the time. It's awesome, a lot of fun. But anyways, yeah, he was asking me what are really the three things that you need to be successful. And probably number one thing is you got to be an action taker. If you don't take action, if you're just going to be lazy and not do what you need to do, then you're not going to be successful. Number two, you have to be willing to take a little bit of risk. You got to be willing to invest if you're going to be successful. You need to invest in yourself. You need to invest in business. You need to invest in all kinds of things. So that's number two. I didn't have all this. I didn't grow up with this. I grew up in a trailer park. My mom was a single mom. I didn't have a dad, and kind of had to figure all this stuff out on my own. It really sucked. But anyways, I got into business right out of college. Started kind of a corporate job, and then lost my job. Ended up going into business for myself. Lost like $80,000 on my first business. Racked up the credit card debt. I spent a bunch of money. I got some investors to invest with me because they believed in me, and I lost all their money. It was a terrible time, really. And if you go into business by yourself and you don't know what you're doing, you don't have mentors, you don't have people helping you, you don't know what to do, you're going to find yourself losing a bunch of money, your money, investors' money, wasting a bunch of time. But anyways, yeah, I've got a whole talk about this that I talked to Jonathan about. I'll share the rest of the story. If you just want to go ahead and click on the link, I'll send it to your email. If you can give me your email, I'll send it to you. But yeah, the number one thing is don't procrastinate. If you want to be successful, you can't procrastinate. And lazy people and people that procrastinate are never successful. If you want to have a 5,000 square foot house like I have, then you can't procrastinate. You've got to be successful. You've got to go after it. This is doable. I did this in like just a matter of a couple of years, and you can do this too, but you've got to take action.